Okay, so I'm going to create a group that is just my remote learners. To do this first, I actually had to create a group set. I don't know if there's another way around it, but that's the way that I was able to start this. So a group set is just kind of like what the criteria is for the various groups. So you could set up a group set that's in school versus remote. And then you could have a group that is just in school and a group inside there that is just remote. But let's say you have a project coming up and they're working in groups, you can create a new group set called project number 1. And then inside the group set, you would add these groups and group the kids up. So group set is kind of the outlining way that you're going to, the criteria that you're going to have for these groups. All right, enough about that. I'm going to add my group. So this one is going to be the same thing, remote learners. And then you're going to just take your kids and go through here and plug them in and add them to the group. And then you'll see that they'll get moved over here. So as I add them, they are getting added to the list. So I just kind of go down through here and add them to the list. Once I assign them all, I can click this and I can see who I assigned, and I actually did have an error. So I'm actually going to remove this one right here. So I can double check that all of these are in the right spot. All right, now I actually have a group homepage for this group, and I can create my own announcements, my own pages, and they can do conferences and collaborations if they want, or if you want, I should say. To go back to the entire class, go back up here and click. But now when you create an assignment, you can pick your remote group as receiving only that assignment, same with announcements. But what I read online is quizzes, it doesn't look like you can assign to a specific group. I didn't try that yet, but that is what I read online. So I'm going to go into my assignment here, and I am going to go to edit assignment settings, and I am actually going to see, I am going to see if I can just have my remote learners.